In primetime news this evening, where are they? Human trafficking, a possible link to missing children who are never found. Under threat, more teachers being threatened with violence on the job. And deadly night, 9 people shot dead in less than 24 hours.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So you remember the 2 cases of data breach over the weekend? Yes? No? Maybe so? Well, one involving VM Wealth Management and the other with the JN Bank. Today, the Bank of Jamaica confirmed it's looking into the matter. I'll have the details later on in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Karen for what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, cricket lovers have seen the once powerful West Indies struggle in recent years. But is the problem a result of a decline in school cricket? We have the findings of an investigation later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more would you like to see done to address indiscipline and abuse in schools?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.